Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add layers in Kinemaster. Adding a layer in Kinemaster allows you to incorporate additional elements like images, videos, text, stickers, or overlays to your video project. So here's how you can do it. Open up Kinemaster application on your mobile device, start up a new project, or open up an existing one where you want to add a layer. Here I've started up a new project. From the first interface of your timeline, go ahead and tap on Media at the top right corner in order to add a video clip or an image to start up a new project. Select a clip you want to work on or edit and tap on the tick mark at the top right in order to import it onto your timeline. Now that you've added a video clip onto your timeline, if you want to add another layer, tap on the layer option in the wheel provided on the right hand side. Now from the layer option, select the type of layer you want to add. You can choose to add an image or video from your device's gallery by tapping on Media. You can insert text into your video by selecting text. Similarly, you can also add stickers or emojis to your video, add handwritings, effects, and much more. After you choose one of the layers you'd like to add, go ahead and browse through the layers menu and tap on it. You can add as much as layers you want onto your video clip's timeline. After you do that, get back, and from your timeline you will be able to see there are multiple layers added onto your project. Now you can adjust the layer's size, positions, duration, and other properties. Drag it around the timeline and place it on your desired location. After you do that, you can now go ahead and adjust the layer's position. Simply tap on the layer on the timeline and drag the edges of the layer using the arrow sign, and you can also rotate or reposition the arrow where you want on the screen. After you are done with your layers adjustments, you can then go ahead and further edit your layers by selecting them and using the tools on the right hand side corner. You can trim, split, animate, blend, and transform your layer according to your preference. After you are done with it, review your project by tapping on the play button. After satisfied, tap on the export icon at the top right. Select the export settings such as resolution, format, frame rate, etc. And finally tap on Save as Video. And that way, you will be able to add layers in Kinemaster project. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.